Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: carrier VO LTE support and a VO LTE-capable SIM. Once confirmed, update your Samsung system and carrier settings to the latest available build to avoid incompatibilities. Next, make sure mobile data is active and the SIM is in the primary slot. Many models require SIM1 for VO LTE. Now, open Settings and go straight to Connections. This starts the configuration steps that let the phone register with your carrier's VO LTE service. You now enable VO LTE in System Settings. Go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks. From there, locate and toggle on VO LTE calls or Enhanced LTE services. This routes Voice over LTE for clearer, faster calls. Make sure preferred network type is LTE/3G/2G Auto, so the phone stays on LTE when available. Once done, restart the device so the carrier provisions the feature. This helps the network register your device for VO LTE and prevents dropouts during the handshake. Finish by verifying VO LTE is active. Make a test call and look for the HD or VO LTE icon. This confirms voice is on LTE. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone and reset the SIM, then check APN and carrier settings again because provisioning often requires a network update. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm VO LTE is provisioned on your account and request APN or profile pushes. This single step resolves most registration failures quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.